Welcome to the world of YouTube background setup creation. Today, I'm excited to share with you a game-changing tutorial that will elevate the creativity of your videos. In this presentation, I'll guide you step by step on how to effortlessly enhance your background, giving your content a more professional and polished appearance, all at no cost to you. Whether you're a seasoned content creator looking to revamp your channel's visual identity, or someone who simply wants to add a personal touch to your YouTube experience, this video is tailored just for you. I'll demystify the entire process, starting from the hunt for the perfect background image to seamlessly applying it to your channel. The best part? You won't need any expensive software or advanced design skills. I'm here to make the entire journey accessible and straightforward for everyone. And yes, it's completely free. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's dive into the world of YouTube background setup creation together. Let your creativity shine.
Now is to come to canva.com and sign up. And once you're signed up, you sign in, and then you come to the search bar here and search for YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, it's already here. YouTube thumbnail, you click on it, and once it opens, you click on create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Once it opens, you go to the elements section. And once you go there, you scroll down to find the AI image generator, and then you click on it. So once you're here, you can type in, describe the image you want the AI to generate for you. You can type in your prompt. I have a lot of images from here, so I'll want to use that, or one of those ones I've already generated. Mind you, as a free member of Canva, you're given about 49 credits to use, and each of these images you're creating or generating costs you 1 credit to create. So yes, I'll just use the one that I already have. But yeah, you have to type in the prompt. So I can leave the prompt on the description box so that you can go there and access it whenever you want to. Okay. Okay, let's just generate it. So once you type in the prompt, you click on generate image. It will take a while, a few seconds, to generate the 4 images for you. Yes, and that is it. So these are the 4 images it generated. You can make your choice. Let's say we select this one. You can click on more and set the image as background. This is what it looks like. Let's try another one. You can also try this one. And this one. Okay, let's say we go with this one. So I'll just add I'll add the YouTube logo somewhere in the picture. I'll add it here. Okay. It's there. So yeah. and the image is ready. All you have to do now is to click on the share button and you download as PNG, and the image is downloaded into your computer. So to complete the video now, we have to go to CapCut, which is the second software for this video. So once you open CapCut, you click on new video, and once you open the size of the video, the aspect ratio, mine is 16:9 because it's a YouTube video. And then you can drag and drop your image. Okay. So once your image is here, you also need to drag and import the video that you're using for this. So this is my video. And make sure your video and your background are on the same length. You don't want your background cutting off while the video is still playing. So yeah, this is it. The next thing to do is to remove the background of the video. You go here, click on remove background, and then you select auto removal. And while that is ongoing, we can go and add some effects. So you see our background is ready. It's ready. And then we can blur the background. Let's blur the background. Click on effects, and then click on blur, and then drag and drop it, overlay it on top of the background. You see. Also make sure that the effect is at the same length as the video and the background. Next, you can also reduce or adjust the blur effects. Yeah, I think this is good. And you can play it and check. Let's check.
And to start your YouTube channel or create videos due to concerns about your background not being aesthetically pleasing, this video is for you. I'll show you how to achieve any background you want for your videos using just 2 software tools, and the best part is that it's completely free. Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Dee, and in today's video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a customizable background for your YouTube videos. You can achieve this.
And that is it. The video is finished. And then you can click on export to export the video. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial, and I believe and hope that you have learned one thing or the other. It's not that hard. I know starting a YouTube journey is not that it looks difficult, but I know it's not that bad. So please, if you watch the video, kindly do so that you familiarize yourself with the procedures. So thank you so much for sticking around till the end of the video. I appreciate you all. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment with your questions, and I'll be glad to answer each and every one of you. Bye. See you in the next video.